Hey, Nathan, loanDepot. Wanted to share this with you. So, a question that I get hit with all the time, or I should say a scenario, is where I'm talking to someone who's interested in buying a house, but they're not quite ready to buy right now. And so they don't want me to pull credit right now because they're not quite ready. Or same with refinancing. They're ready, but not quite ready just yet. They wanted to, maybe wait another couple of days or maybe another week or so to get something in order. I never know why they want to kind of wait or push it out. But anytime I come across that, it's a sad thing because it prevents me from being able to help. And this is a perfect example. So this is a client that normally has a 700 credit score, 700 plus credit score. And he started a refinance. And when we checked his credit, his score was 609. And so what had happened as he had co-signed with a family member and on a loan, and he had just assumed everything was fine. Payments were being made on time, but the problem is they weren't. And so he has all these late payments on his credit report and has dropped his score to 609. So he can't get a loan. He can't get the loan that we were going to be getting with a 609 credit score. And so had he, waited and pushed it out until the last minute, we would be in a position where we really couldn't help him. But because we ran credit up front early, I see that there's a problem, and I'm going to help him get his score up. And we're going to do what's called a rapid rescore. And so what we can't easily do is remove the late payments. And so I have someone helping him with that, and I have a referral network with credit repair specialists that can help with that. But what I can help with is the revolving trade lines. And so on this particular scenario, it's not just the late payments, but he also has high balances, percentage of utilization on his revolving trade lines. And for each of these, if I can get it under 30% or 33%, literally 1/3 of the limit, if I can get down to 1/3 of the limit, I'm going to see an increase in his credit score. So let's use this, for example, the 2700. So if we get this down to, 900, and then if we get this down to 1000, and then if we get this one down to 600, and then if we get this other guy down to 2000, all right, this guy, and this is not going to be an immediate fix, so this is going to take a month to cycle out, but we get this down to 1000, and then we give then what we'll do is we'll have these accounts paid down. We'll get proof that the accounts have been paid down to 0, and I can do a rescore, and in a month's time, credit score will have gone, and this is the middle of the credit scores. So that's the one that we use for mortgage, and it's not the same as what you might see when you're looking at your TransUnion score online, your Equifax score online. That is different. This is a mortgage credit report. It's a mortgage score, and it is specific to mortgage. It's not the same as what you're seeing online when you look at those online scores, but this would get his mid score up to 665, which would be perfect. He would be able to qualify for the loan. And so we would be able to do that. And then when his late payments are removed, his score will literally be back up in the 700 range. So we'll get him back on track, and he'll be able to close his loan as if nothing really ever happened. Should be back on track and up and running in no time. But do not hesitate when someone like myself says, yeah, let's run credit, because that lets me know if there's something on there that we need to fix or something that we need to address. Because sometimes it takes time. It takes a month. In this case, it takes a month to get his score up. But that month, his file is being worked on. It's moving forward, and it's a good thing we didn't wait. All right. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, just go ahead and reply or comment, and we'll see you on the next one.